What's the meaning of compadre? Compadre. Compadre.
Compadre. Compadre. Compadre is a Spanish word that translates to godfather or close friend. Its definition has evolved over time to include a trusted companion or partner. In some Latin American countries, compadre is used to refer to the relationship between two men who share a spiritual bond based on the baptism of their children. This word can also be used informally to address someone in a friendly or familiar manner. Overall, compadre conveys a sense of warmth, trust, and camaraderie between individuals who share a close connection.